2018 Volvo XC60 T8 is a hybrid chock full of safety and style. Cruising through Colorado's Rocky Mountains in the 2018 Volvo XC60 T8, my drive partner wondered what elevation we were at. We both thought we were at 6,000 feet or so, as the 2.0-liter four-cylinder was pulling strong, not succumbing to the thinner air as many internal combustion engines do. I checked the compass app on my phone, and to my surprise, we were more than 8,000 feet above sea level. Volvo's unique turbocharged and supercharged hybrid engine had climbed up the pass with nary a stutter. That's the glory of the XC60 T8. This model's powertrain combines the guts of internal combustion motivating the front wheels with the instant power of an electric motor on the rear wheels. The XC60 is Volvo's latest crossover, but the company has already sold over 1 million units since the model was first introduced 9 years ago. This midsize offering is available in base momentum trim, sport-focused R-Drive or Deluxe inscription. You also get your choice of 3 powertrains, including the turbocharged T5 or the turbocharged and supercharged T6 engine. However, the plug-in T8 electric hybrid, featured here, is the powertrain to get. This unique engine utilizes a supercharger at lower RPMs and a turbocharger at the higher revs to force more air into the combustion chamber, producing more power. By supercharging first, the driver never has to wait for the turbo to spool up. Instead, power delivery is consistent no matter where the engine is in its power band. It's a pretty neat trick. The addition of the 87 horsepower electric motor brings total system output up to 400 horsepower and 472 pound-feet of torque. For those keeping score, those numbers best the Jaguar F-Pace S and Mercedes-AMG GLC 43, matching the Porsche Macan Turbo in horsepower while providing 66 pound-feet more of twisting power. A 10.4 kWh battery is mounted in the center tunnel, so the hybrid doesn't lose much interior space in relation to its non-hybrid counterparts. It can be charged using a standard 110V or 220V household outlet or at a 200V public charging station, reaching full tilt boogie in about 2.5 hours. Or if you prefer to never plug the thing in, the gas engine can be used to charge the battery as well, but doing so isn't as efficient. The T8 hybrid has an EPA fuel rating of 56 mpg or 26 miles per gallon with premium gas. When compared to the low mid-20s combined rating of the T5 and T6 engine, the hybrid is looking pretty darn good. New self-driving features. Steer Assist comes to the XC60 for 2018. If a computer detects the driver is attempting an evasive maneuver to avoid hitting an object from the front, the XC60 will make the turn as effective as possible by braking the inner wheels during the turn, adding steering input, and then braking outside wheels after the maneuver to settle the chassis.